Would have been, it might have even been helpful for what I want to do for my career.
Listen, these bottoms. Are you taking that kind of stuff up in college?
Yeah, like I said yesterday, I'm done with all my criminal justice courses, and so we're doing fingerprints in my investigative principles class, and so that would have been fun to have a fingerprint reader on my computer.
But you're all through with your classes now.
Aside from my English, math, and foreign language.
Yeah.
English, math, and foreign language.
Mm-hmm. Shorty. Hello, Schmorky. Kitty kitty. What?
I was just giving him some chicken.
And? Do you take it or not?
Whipped it out of my hand.
You what?
He whipped it out of my hand.
So is that thing magnetic, or have you been letting it sit by magnets for a while?
I got a little magnet. I magnetized it with, so that the tip.
All right, so it wasn't magnetic to begin with.
No.
You did that on your own.
Yeah. So pick these screws up because without it, picking these screws up would be a chore among itself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I really think they should make all screwdrivers magnetic.
All of them.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I have some bigger ones I use on desktop computers. That's magnetized because the screws are
Bigger.
bigger, and you had to go down so far inside the case. If you lose one, and if it goes up under the motherboard, because your motherboard is sitting up on these little things from the bottom of the case, and then they don't always roll back out. Then you have to take it all the way back apart again to actually do it.
What fun. Yeah, who's that?
Call from 9198. Hello? Hello?
Who was it?
Yes. 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 Oh gosh. Okay, fine. My husband takes care of the bills. Go ahead and tell me what they are.
All-purpose screws, huh?
Hmm?
All-purpose screws.
Well, these screws are for this whole system,
Oh.
for all systems. They're different sizes.
Who was it?
Never mind. May I take advantage of your knowledge while you're here again?
Yes, ma'am. Wait.
Oh, okay. Well, when you get done, I had downloaded a new free version. I haven't paid for the updated, and I'm not going to, of Slacker Radio,
Uh-huh.
and I can't get it to run. I don't know how to get it to run.
Oh boy. Ah.